Alright, well, if you're watching this video, you may have watched a few of my others regarding my distal bicep tendon rupture, which I have done to both arms. Ruptured one 2 years ago, ruptured one like 3 weeks ago, a little 3.5 weeks ago. So in this video, I'm talking about all the supplements and things I'm taking and eating to speed up recovery. I'm not a nutritionist. I have just done a little bit of research, and these are the things I've come across that can potentially help speed up recovery, healing, tissue growth, tendon strength, and these are them. I will go through them. A lot of these things are probably just good for you, whether you are trying to heal from an injury or you're working out or whatever. A lot of these things are probably good for you anyways. So some of these are going to seem obvious, but some of them are kind of like, oh, didn't think about that. Some of these I never thought about. I wasn't taking any of these before this, but I need to have this rupture heal ASP, and I'm trying everything. If this is a waste of money, so be it. If it helps me a little bit, great. So first one, nothing crazy. Fish oil. That's good for all kinds of things. Reduces inflammation, helps with wound healing, of course. Then you got like the brain stuff and good for your body, whatever. Beets. It helps with increased nitric oxide, with blood flowing, can increase wound healing. So that's where that comes in. Also, tendons tendons don't tend to have a lot of blood flow, so they do take a long time to heal, and that is one of the hard parts with the tendons. It's why they don't want you to do anything for like 6 weeks, like do nothing for 6 weeks, don't lift anything. And then when you do, you go super duper slow. So that's why, because lack of blood flow. So, a little nitric oxide should help. Here's another one, vitamin C. Vitamin C, what does that do? I don't know, a bunch of stuff. It helps with, there's some proof that it helps heal tendons, ligaments, muscles. So there's that. Same thing, calcium, magnesium, zinc, also tissue growth, may stimulate tendon growth. Along with amino acids. That's where this comes in, amino acids. This is basically a protein. You also need tons of protein. Well, not tons, but to heal, your body needs protein. If you're trying to heal, now is not the time to be cutting calories. You need to eat food, a lot of it, and lots of protein. I am also eating food besides taking these supplements. I'm not just living off pills. But this has amino acids in it. It's got your glutamine, it's got some blockchain stuff, and some essential amino acids. The big ones are leucine, glutamine, and arginine. I think I said that right, arginine. So there you have it. That's that. amino acids. They actually help repair muscles. And there's some signs that I believe the leucine and glutamine can help with tendon repair. Just your standard adult multivitamin. It's got some stuff in it that's good. Prunes, they're good for you. Eat them. Grapefruit, also good for you. Eat it. Now, these are the two secret weapons right here. I have no proof of this at this point, but I've done a lot of research, and these come up, and I think this is collagen peptides. Good for your skin, good for your muscles, your tissues, and tendons are made of collagen, like 50% to like a high number, maybe 80%. I'm not saying it's 80%, but it's like 50% supposedly tendons have collagen in them. Maybe not directly collagen, but things that create collagen. Okay, so that's a big one. This also has a ton of protein in it. 20 grams of protein for 2 scoops. One recommended serving size is 2 scoops, 20 grams of protein. There's a reason why they want you to have all that protein. To heal. It also has a whole boatload of amino acid. And again, it has arginine, leucine, and a whole bunch of other stuff. And here's another weird one. Bone broth. Oh yeah, bone broth. This is like one of the building blocks of all kinds of stuff. Again, protein, lots of it. And then I've also found this has hyaluronic acid in it. Hyaluronic acid and vitamin C are also things that help promote skin, tissue growth, healing, and the hyaluronic acid helps retain water, and water is what keeps things supple. And you need moisture since our bodies are made up of a lot of water. I don't know what the number is. 80%, 90%, 50, 60, I don't know. Enough. So there you have it. Those are all the things that I'm taking right now.